Globe showing Asia-Australia Singapore Airshow 2026 breaks attendance records. Airplane aviation is back, and stronger than ever. The Singapore Airshow 2026 has attracted a record 125,000 attendees, confirming a powerful rebound in global aviation confidence. Manufacturers, airlines, defense firms, and regulators all converged to showcase new aircraft, technologies, and partnerships, sending a clear message: the industry is accelerating again. From commercial aviation to defense and sustainability, the airshow reflects where aviation is heading next, and how fast it's moving. The skies aren't just busy again. They're evolving.